All right, Terry Carter here. I want to unlock the secrets to music reading on the ukulele. This is actually a vital step and actually one of the most important things you need to know as a ukulele player, as a musician. Most people think it's way too hard to read music, or they don't realize the value in reading music, what it does for you, the eye-hand coordination, learning the neck, the confidence that you get, the rhythm that you develop by reading the notes, by counting the notes. And that's why I'm going to do a beginning music reading workshop this Friday. All right, this Friday, beginning music reading workshop. Don't worry if you've never read music before, I'm going to help you out with this for it. This is going to be $27. So really easy, simple decision. Come by, grab the packet. I'm going to have the recording. Come live. If you can't make it live, you can watch it later. If you're one of my platinum members, that's already included. So you can get the workshop $27, or if you want to become a platinum member, if you're not already, then you're going to get all my courses and the workshop. But anyway, music reading, do not underestimate the power that music reading will do for your playing, for your musicianship. And once you get this down, it's going to help everything else that you do on the ukulele. So anyway, appreciate you being here, and I can't wait to see you on Friday.